Hey everyone, and thanks for taking the time to watch today. That is right, we have introduced a new T100 Bonneville, a 2005 with about 36,000 miles on it. Some of you might remember this bike from when we bought our VROD. This was the other bike in contention, but as luck would have it, we bought both of them when it was all said and done. This here is Joe. Joe took really good care of the bike, and we went down to Pittsburgh, Kansas to purchase it from him. On the way back, we were both very amazed about how comfortable this bike truly was. I think on the first trip, I did 89 miles without taking a stop. My wife here and my son both absolutely love this bike. This is a motorcycle that I was not expecting to like as much as I do, but I find myself riding it more and more. There's just something about it being so lightweight, yet fast at the same time. You can really hop around the corners really easily with it. We've already done our fair share to the bike to kind of make it our own, but we'll still do more here in the future as well. What do you guys think of the new addition to the garage? I really do love it, but please go ahead and drop your comments down below, and as always, I will catch you on the next dark side as this is the way. Sharp Fit, see you in the next one. Later.